Good evening, folks. Welcome to today's session on Vedic astrology. The topic for today is Mars, the planet Mars, the most dreaded planet Mars, and the most fiery planet Mars. But actually, it's not a fiery planet, it's a fiery planet to start with. The reason being, when the Big Bang occurred, the energy was all concentrated in a single dot. There was Big Bang, there was fire first. So Mars represents fire to start with. So Mars represents energy in the form of fire, heat. Mars represents red in color, so the color is red, right? And Mars represents active, full of energy. Fire is always active, it's full of energy, and energy is very important in our life. And without fire, there's nothing that we can do. Without heat, there's nothing that we can do. There are two Rashis in the zodiac sign which is ruled by Mars, which is Mesha. The symbol is Ram, and the second Rashi is Scorpio or Vrichiga Rashi. The symbol is Scorpio. Scorpio, the one which waits to strike. So the symbols themselves speak about the individual. So if you look at a Mesha Rashi person or a Mesha Lagna person or a Vrichiga Rashi person or a Scorpio person, or somebody who has got Mars exalted or Mars ruling the 6th and 10th, you can figure out what they are predominantly. Of course, the aspecting planets also matter. So Martians, people with Mars characteristics get angry very fast, overreact fast, and Mars is also called as Angaraka. Angaraka in Sanskrit. So when I said Martian guys gets angry, look at these two words. So the word anger has come out of Angaraka. There's no doubt about it. Mars is also called as Kuja. It's also called as Mangal. And Mars rules the day Tuesday. Mars is also called as Sevvai Graham in Tamil. And Tuesday is ruled by Mars. Tuesday is ruled by Sevvai. And so predictions, when it comes to predicting, looking at a chart, if somebody's horoscope has Mars in 6th house or Mars in 10th house, or the 6th or 10th house is ruled by Mars with a strong, or Mars is exalted, or Mars in Mulatrikonasthana, predominantly you can conclude that this guy will have, or he belongs to Scorpio and Mesha Rashi. Predominantly these are the characteristics. Aspects matter a lot, again I'm saying. And you, especially 10th and 6th houses, which is the house of profession and service, the advice given by astrologer is you put him in the army, because that's where the energy comes out, being in that profession. So sometimes choosing the profession itself is a remedy, because he'll be carrying a lot of that energy, and that energy gets released once he is in that profession. So the remedy comes from an astrologer, the suggestion comes from an astrologer, and that's why we need a guru. Astrologer is also a guru to guide us in the right path. And if you look at the astrologer saying that, put him in army, there's a reason to it. And let us look at some simple concepts. Let's not get into too much of details. Look at the word Martian, field marshals. It's got Mars. Look at March past. It has got March. Now we saw that the guy gets angry. These guys gets angry, and they're fiery in nature, fiery in nature, and very rude and difficult to anger. And Scorpio wants to keep attacking. Don't you think that if you have to be in an army, you have to have all these characteristics? You have to wait to attack your enemies, all those guys in Jammu and Kashmir safeguarding us. Don't you think that we are gifted to have such Martians around us? Martians are great sacrificers. It's only an army guy can sacrifice. He sacrifices to the extent that he forgets his family, he lives miles apart from his kin, brothers, sisters, wife, children, parents. for months together and years together, and his sacrifices doubles to the extent that he is ready to sacrifice his life for the nation, for the country. Such are Martians. Such is the sacrifice of Martians. So they have great sacrifices. So all planets comes up with negatives and positives. And today I wanted to communicate this positive side of Martians. It can cause Kuja dosha, it can cause Mangalik dosha and stuff like that. But sacrifice, it's only Martians. And I want to show a small video clipping to actually bow my head to all those guys who are supporting us in the border day in and day out, because of which I'm sitting and making this video and you are watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you.
इंडियन आर्मी हार नहीं मानती, इंडियन आर्मी हार नहीं मानती, हार नहीं मानती, हार नहीं मानती। देश पे जब कभी मुश्किल आई है, जान की बाजी आर्मी ने लगाई है। चाहे वो बॉर्डर पे जंग की बात हो या फिर कहीं आई बाढ़ बरसात हो। आई बरसात ने पुल जब गिरा दिया, 16 घंटे में नया पुल बना दिया। जहाँ जहाँ भी फंसे हुए थे लोग, मौत के मुंह से जीवन दिला दिया। मौत के मुंह से जीवन दिला दिया।
सेना ने सैलाब में डूबे जम्मू कश्मीर में एक चमत्कार कर दिखाया है। जम्मू की तावी नदी पर बना पुल बह जाने से हजारों लोग फंस गए थे। सेना ने महज 16 घंटों में उस पुल के बगल में एक पुल बना दिया और सैलाब में फंसे लोगों की जान बचाई जा सकी। सेना के बनाए गए इस पुल पर गाड़ियां भी चलनी शुरू हो गई हैं।
इंडियन आर्मी हार नहीं मानती, इंडियन आर्मी हार नहीं मानती, हार नहीं मानती, हार नहीं मानती, हार नहीं मानती, हार नहीं मानती।
4 दिन से छत पे आर्मी आर्मी आर्मी, सिर्फ आर्मी ने रेस्क्यू किया।
उन्होंने जो हमको बचा लिया, बहुत सारे को बचा लिए, और इन्होंने कोशिश कर रहे हैं बचाने की, जो सबको निकाल ले। हम इनके शुक्रगुजार हैं।
इन्होंने हमारी बहुत मदद की। अगर हम इनका थैंक्स भी किस तरह कर सकते हैं। इन्होंने हमें बहुत कुछ किया, हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है।
फौज नहीं पहुंचे तो हम वहीं हार्ट फेल हो जाते।
अगर सेना ना होती तो जन्नत जहन्नुम बन जाती। अगर सेना ना होती तो हजारें जानें सैलाब में गुम हो जाती।
बॉर्डर पे फौजी रहते बेचैन से, तभी तो घर पे हम सोते हैं चैन से। हमारे लिए जान वो दाव पे लगाते हैं, जहाँ भी जरूरत पड़े थोड़े चले आते हैं। आर्मी की वजह से महफूज आवाम है, ऐसे जज्बे को मेरा सलाम है। ऐसे जज्बे को मेरा सलाम है।
हमें इन लोगों को बचाना है, रेस्क्यू करना है, बस यही हमारी ड्यूटी है। वही हमारे दिमाग में रहता है, इनको जल्दी से जल्दी हम सेफ जगह पर ले जाएं।